Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. I am back with another room tour for you guys today. We are in the Old Turtle Pond Road area and we are in room 4120 at Old Key West. This is not near the hospitality house. This is just a standard deluxe studio location. So I'm going to take you inside, check it out, and we'll see what it's all about. Okay, so we are room 4120 as I just said, and I do have it unlocked here, so I'm just gonna go right in. The first thing you'll notice about this studio is that it is different than all other studios, DVC studios, in the sense that there are 2 queen beds instead of a bed and a fold-out couch, which is great. I absolutely love that. It's just Ken's and I here on this trip, but we are definitely gonna make use of the 2 separate beds. So just coming into the main room, if you turn immediately to your right after walking in, there's a light switch. There are windows with blackout curtains and regular curtains, and then there is an outlet with 2 electrical sockets down here. And then just around the side of the bed, there's some empty space, and again, another outlet. And I really like when these outlets are by the side of the bed there, so that's quite handy. Going into the middle, you can see the queen beds each have lights over them, and just in the middle there is a light switch for both of the overhead lights for the beds. There's also an extender for the outlets down here, so this is clearly new. It's not part of the bedside table unit that we have here, but it's still handy. It's got 2 electrical sockets and 2 USBs. So for anyone looking for those USB cords, they are here. We've also got an older phone and a remote control for the TV and just some informational packets. And then of course this bedside table is a bit aged, as you can hear, but it's got your Bible and some storage space down here. In terms of storage space, I'll also say that under the beds, these things are really high off the ground. There's lots of storage space there for you if you want to pop a suitcase underneath that. And the artwork here is so nice as well. You can see me kind of in the background, but I love the tropical theme. It really makes it feel like you're on a proper tropical holiday. So turning to the next bed, same thing as the first one, a queen sized bed with an overhead lamp, and again next to it we have 2 electrical outlets as well, and again there is loads of space under here. Okay, it goes to about the middle of my calf. I'll just take you out onto our balcony so you can see out here. I've got the light on. We don't have a special view or anything. Oops. But it's a nice little space. It's a lot bigger than some of the other DVC balconies, the studio balconies anyways. So we've got 2 chairs and a table, and then we just look over the Turtle Pond Road circle. This resort is huge. It is my first time here and I've been shocked at how large it really is. So moving back into the main room, you can see that the architecture here is a bit different. It's not a standard square room. There's a lot of catty corners here. But in one of these catty corners, we have a dresser. The dresser is pretty spacious. Again, it's a bit older. You can kind of see some of these nicks on the paint there. But there's enough space there for some storage. And then we've got the TV. And under the TV there is a rogue outlet down there, but I probably wouldn't be touching that if it were me. So then turning around, that door is a door that leads to a lock-off unit. So we are in the studio portion of a 2-bedroom lock-off. That means on the other side of this door, there will be a 1-bedroom unit. So that would have the kitchen and all those features there with the living room. But we get a table, we got a small table, and we get 2 chairs. You've got the thermostat just above the table here. And then underneath, we've got, oops, that's not an electrical outlet. There was one down here though. Maybe it's on the other side. I think it's on the other side of this chair here behind my backpack. And then again, some really cool wall art. So you've got the distance to all these locations from Key West itself. So it's pretty authentic feeling. Turning around, I'll just show you there's also a recycling bin. So there are recycling and rubbish bins in here, which is really nice. So you can separate those out. And then the rest of the unit is the rest of the DVC type unit. So we've got our kitchenette followed by the bathroom. So moving into the kitchenette, We've got everything that you would expect in a DVC studio kitchenette. So we have the microwave. Again, we've got paper cups and plates. They haven't returned the ceramic mugs and plates yet, but we're going with paper for now, as well as silverware, plastic silverware. And you've got your ice bucket up at the top. You'll notice that there's no drawers here. There's no cabinetry, so everything is out and exposed, but I have no issue with that personally. And then the lower half of the unit, we've got a fridge, which of course I've got my bagels in. It does have a mini freezer unit here. So it's pretty narrow, but you could put like a box of like a, I don't know, toaster strudels or something that would go in the toaster. And then some space for drinks on the side. Again, you've got some of this aged paint here. It definitely needs a bit of a refurb, but it works perfectly for what we need. You've got your bin down here, you've got your washing up liquid, your paper towels, and your paper towel rack. And then just on top of the counter, as you can see, we've got our sink with our towel, we've got our toaster, all the little bits and bobs that you get for making coffee, and then the coffee maker as well. So this one is not a Keurig, it is a 12 cup Mr. Coffee filter coffee maker. And there are 2 outlets next to it. And then if we just turn around straight across, there is a closet here, which I'll just open for you. Inside the closet is all the standard things you would expect. So we've got our extra pillow and blanket, which really you don't need here since we don't have a fold-out couch, but it's still handy to have if you're feeling chilly or if you want more support from your pillows. You've got an iron, an ironing board, the safe here. This unit actually has a bit more in the sense that it's got a vacuum and, well, it's 2 vacuums really, a luggage rack and a broom, and then you've got your fire extinguisher and your coat hangers there and your rack. So it's quite spacious in there. And then moving into the bathroom unit, when the door is closed, you will see a full-size mirror, which I always love having in a hotel room because not all rooms have them, but I really like to see how my whole outfit looks before I go out. So this is a standard toilet unit, bathroom unit. Not one of my favorites because the toilet is not separated from the shower and the sink. Hello, we have had quite a long day today, so excuse my appearance. I feel like I say that every time. We've got 1 sink, no Jack and Jill, and next to the sink we do have 2 electrical sockets that you can see here. They have given us H2O sea salt body lotion and hand soap here, and the rest is in the shower. You've got your little rack. No super zoom mirror, so I'm a big fan of that because I don't need to see that, but some of the units do have them, so if you're looking for that, that's not here. We've got a hair dryer, and then inside the cabinet, just some extra toilet roll and tissues as well. So it is spacious in terms of storage. We've just got lots of extra towels here if you want to pop anything in, and then your bin, your toilet roll. There is a toilet bowl cleaner if you felt the need to do that, your toilet, and then your shower here. I will say the shower does have the permanent installation of the H2O products, so you've got body wash, conditioner, and shampoo, but you're not getting the mini bottles, so if anyone likes to hoard those, you will not be getting those here. But it's a pretty deep shower, and the other nice thing is that you can see just in the back, that is a really wide lip on the shower there. So if you've got kids that you want to sit up or something like that, this is a good space for them if you don't have an actual shower bench. And then again, a nice really big shower head there. And then just behind the door when we close it, we've got some towel racks with even more towels here and places to hang your goods. So that is everything for Old Key West. I am absolutely loving it so far. I've been looking forward to staying at this resort for so long, and this is the first time I'm doing it, so I'm really looking forward to trying out the restaurant, the quick service, the pool, the whole 9 yards, but it's gonna be a great time. So if you have stayed here, please let me know what's your favorite part, if you are returning at any point, why you're returning, and if you haven't liked it, tell me why, because I'd love to know. But until next time, I will see you real soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.